Hello everyone, I am Trupti Shaha from Vidyavardhini College of Engineering. Today I will explain you how to create a WordPress using wordpress.com. So first of all, go to www.wordpress.com and open that site. This page will open. Go to Get Started. Then this default page will open. There you add information like name of your site which you want. So I am writing Shaha Trupti. '25. Then add what will your site about. I am writing education. Select it. Then what is the goal of your website? Select it. Go down and continue. Then give the site as an address. You can write any name. I'm writing Tanushri 03. Then .com. Select free. Then start with free. Write down your email address. I am writing 25. Then continue. Continue with Google. Click on continue. This default site will open. You can add different options like you can add upload site icon, create tagline, personalize contact and so on. Then left hand side can go to my site will open. This name of your site and username will be displayed. You can go and view site. Then this default website will open. Here I'll explain you. You can add different site pages, blog, post, media. You can customize your site. I'll explain you only one thing, that is how to add blog. So go to left hand side menu bar. Blog post is there. Click on add and that post will open. You can give any title. For example, I am writing here course journal. Then you can add link of post, my journal link, and paste here link of your course journal. After that, don't forget to publish it, otherwise that block will not be added. So published. So it is now publishing. So after publish, close it. Again you will go back to your main site. That course journal will come here. Link, if you add link will display. You can edit anything, whatever by default is there. You can add pages, blog, PPTs, videos of your lectures and so on. Thank you.